LATU, Technological Laboratory of Uruguay, is an institution oriented to satisfy the needs of both productive and public sectors in the development of products and services of adequate quality and the generation of continuous projects of improvement and the increase of them, searching for the opening and consolidation of markets and the optimization of their management. Founded in the year 1965, LATU is a non-state-owned person of public law with a board integrated by a delegate from the Ministry of Industry, Energy and Mining, who presides it, a delegate from the Industry Chamber of Uruguay, and a delegate from the Oriental Republic of Uruguay's bank. Its headquarters take up a property of 11 hectares in Carrasco neighborhood, in the east of Montevideo, with 33,500 square meters of buildings, from which 17,000 are destined to the Technological and Events Park, and the rest to laboratories and pilot plants. In its surroundings, 20,000 square meters of green spaces and tree-covered areas provide the headquarters with a particular appeal. Answering to the necessity of extending the reach of its service to areas of the country which are considered strategic, since the year 2007, LATU counts with headquarters in the city of Fray Bentos, in the province of Rio Negro, center-east of Uruguay. This technological unit is inserted in the development of the area, supporting industrial undertakings in the fulfillment of the environmental and production regulations. The unit provides services of advice to the forest sector in the optimization and development of cutting-edge technologies, technical assistance in the chain of cellulose pulp and paper, as well as in the chain of the solid wood and its products. It extends its activities integrating environmental evaluations, design of monitoring plans, and implementation of cleaner production programs. It complies and offers a tool for the protection of aquatic resources and ecosystems through advising the industry to demonstrate the fulfillment of environmental regulations. LATU interacts with national institutions as well as from the rest of the world, which develop actions in common areas, generating alliances that facilitate the support to the production sectors as well as the promotion of science and technology. The process of implementation of the quality in the very institute, with its system of quality management, which was certified based on the regulation ISO 9001 by SQS from Switzerland, the more than 250 tests from different laboratories accredited by the UCAS from the United Kingdom, and the existence of agreements with institutes from all over the world place LATU at a worldwide level as for updating and technical experience. To keep its mission valid as a trigger of the sustainable development of the country, LATU plans annually the investment in state-of-the-art equipments, promotes and orchestrates the training and education permanently, with rigorous training for the personnel from industrial and scientific projects that pursues the best professional practices. The certifications given by LATU to the manufactured or production products are addressed to contribute to the development of the industrial sector for the insertion of them in the international markets, building a backup, quality warranty and reliability before foreign governments, other technological institutes, and the business sector. The national industry and agro-industry find in LATU the support and backup needed to consolidate their initiatives, to achieve the recognition of application of high standards of quality, and to obtain the credentials which enable the access to more demanding world markets. Supporting the export industry, the Institute provides the service of temporary admission to facilitate the access to raw materials and tax-free and tariff-free goods for the transformation, assembly, or incorporation to the export article. With this tool, the LATU facilitates to the export industry the entrance to the international markets, which are more demanding as for competitive conditions about price, quantity, and quality. With 12 laboratories and pilot plants, 412 collaborators between technical and administrative personnel, LATU leads in Uruguay the process of investigation as for metrology, food quality, packaging, environment, forest protection, textile production, use of byproducts, and test innovation and transference. In its contribution to the improvement of competitiveness and the impact in the markets from the industrial sector, LATU offers its tool of analytical control, with which it provides a service of analysis and high-level test, for which it counts on cutting-edge equipment and specialized technicians, for each service covering the spectrum of the different branches from the industrial and agro-industrial activity. In the same way, it's an essential support for all the certification management developed for export products, as well as the production of national enterprises. In order to obtain a suitable instrument for the adaptation of new requirements of national and international quality regarding nutrition, LATU provides the industry with a service of irradiation when processing food for the destruction of insects, fungi and bacteria which generate diseases in the human being, and the procurement as a consequence of healthier food with minimum alteration of sensory properties. LATU has developed a technical and events park which arose from the need of the country of having specific reference centers and with the purpose of contributing to the generation of knowledge with tests based in multidisciplinary areas. The same extends throughout an area of 65,000 square meters with an important civic infrastructure and parking area, including 5 centers, each one having their own mission and aims. Business Incubator Center, Ingenuity, Development of Test Company Center, Meeting and Events Center, Diffusion of Science and Technology Science Space, and Knowledge Development Center. Business Incubator Center Ingenuity, created with financial support from Multilateral Fund of Investments of Inter-American Bank of Development, is aimed at promoting the creation of new innovative tests, ventures economical feasible. The same provides conditions of controlled risk, with the purpose of project taking part in the schedule have better success possibilities. Services provided for incubated companies include advice and training in marketing, preparation of business plan, intellectual property, and other issues related to the preparation, development, and management of new tests ventures. Among the most appraised contributions, the incubators provides for the members of incubation schedule the access to the wide network of national and international contacts, based on the active participation of Ingenuity in regional and international networks of support to promote innovative ventures. Development of Technological Company Center is currently constituted by small ventures of graduates from Ingenuity Incubator, together with large and medium companies specialized in software development and digital communication. Meeting and Event Center contributes a space for the dissemination of national and international new products and services to productive and commercial areas. It is a leader in the development of fairground activities, exhibitions, and conferences, providing a facilitating field of tests, industrial, and commercial exchange. Diffusion of Science and Technology Science Space is a proposal from LATU for the dissemination of science and technology towards the entire company, constituting a non-formal interactive space for the apprenticeship of science, stimulating imagination, creativity, and critical spirit. Having more than 100,000 visitors per year and having theme care exhibitions, Science Space was included within the most outstanding 10 centers of science and technology of the world by La Cité des Sciences et l'Industrie from Paris. Knowledge Development Center is one of the 5 centers composing Test and Events Park. It started as an initiative from LATU and member companies of the Uruguayan Technology Chamber of Information, supporting the preparation of human resources qualified for new industries and technologies. Currently, it also gathers training activities organized by LATU itself, associates, and third parties that lease their facilities. It bears rooms with computing equipment, theoretical classrooms, recreational areas, and proper design to facilitate mobilization of people having motor limitations. Along with this strategy, the Knowledge Development Center entered an agreement to cover technical university careers under the academic management from the Board of Professional Technical Education, former Uruguayan Technical Institute, by constructing a building of 1,400 square meters, including chemistry, computer and telecommunication laboratories, recording studio, classrooms and offices, as well as common and recreational areas. LATU, a synonym of development and excellence, has transformed into a national and international representative in science and technological transference. Due to its achievement and constant effort to improve for the sake of national progress, it constitutes a backup for the development of Uruguayan industry and for the certification of quality before the world.